What is it?
Let me, before you do that, let me fill my deal up.
Okay. What she got, Gage?
I gotta see if I got something.
It's the best post office ever. Oh, now you remember. Now you remember. You have to say please.
Okay, here we go.
Here she comes.
Magic bowl. Whenever I get out the magic bowl, I always shake it. All the freshest candy comes to the top.
Do it, Gage. Oh.
Something from the magic bowl?
Get it, Gage. What do you want?
Ooh, that's a good one.
We always go for the fruit juice. Oh. Hey, give her one of those back.
Oh, you need to give one back?
Yeah, he accidentally got 2. Sorry. Put it back in there, buddy.
Thank you.
Good job. Hey, Gage, can you say thank you?
Oh, I got it.
Yay. Can you say thank you?
Hey.
That's nice. Can you say bye? Can you tell her bye-bye? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
He's just in awe.
What's that? Mmm.
Say thank you. Rotten boy.